Onomatopoeia is a sound that is written. Here we have the poem Camping. Let's see if you can identify the different onomatopoeias. Crack, crack. The fire crackles under the stars. Sizzle, sizzle. The water sizzles above the fire. Crunch, crunch. The campers crunching on potato chips. Click, clack, click, clack. The tent poles clicking and clacking together. Rustle, rustle, as we prepare our sleeping bags to go to sleep. Chirp, chirp. The crickets say goodnight. So here we have crack, sizzle, crunch, click, clack, rustle, and chirp. Notice that all of them have an exclamation point after them, just to show that it's a loud sound. On this slide, you are going to use any onomatopoeia to add another line to this poem. My example is, boom, boom, the thunder starts to pound in the distance. The author's purpose of using onomatopoeia is to make the poem more interesting and to make it more enjoyable for the readers or more entertaining for the readers to read. So you're going to practice doing this by using onomatopoeia to add another line to this poem.